St. Patrick's Day. I'm feeling the luck of the Irish today. I decided to laser this festive coaster featuring a cheerful leprechaun and his pot of gold. Seeing the details come to life in the wood grain is always my favorite part. I'm sticking to my holiday-themed series for a bit. There's something special about creating pieces that celebrate a specific moment in time. This design turned out incredibly crisp. Look at the detail on the coins and that happy expression. It's almost ready for a pint of, well, whatever you're drinking on March 17th. One more holiday coaster down. If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.